what does TV mean to you?
Growing up, we used to fight over the remote. Like always. We're still doing it.
Kind of like a drinking buddy. Nothing beats a cold beer in front of the TV after work.
When I was young, a 20-inch TV was something. These days, if it's not an 80-something-inch model, no one really notices.
I literally can't game without it. I swear once you try it, there's no going back.
She never hangs out with me anymore. The only time I can sit next to her is when there's a soccer match on.
Honestly, I'm not much of a TV guy, but I just bought it because it looks cool.
This is my favorite spot, in front of the TV. It's what connects me to the world.
Back in my day, the TV was the center of the home, where we would all gather.
I mean, it's still the same. You can tell what's going on at a house through their TV.
Well, we used to call it an idiot box.
We could eat a smart TV.
I mean, it fits the style of my place.
Every weekend we binge watch.
Mad engaging.
TV is me time.
I really loved it.
Always has been.
Always will.
What's next?
Please give a warm welcome to the corporate president of Samsung Electronics, S.W. Yong.
Hello everyone. Welcome to First Look 2024. What a great pleasure and honor to be with you today. I am very excited. Today marks the day we reveal the vision behind our 2024 product lineup and unveil the innovative products we dedicate ourselves to creating. Since the pandemic, technology has made huge progress. A notable development is the rise of the generative AI. We believe our screens play a pivotal role that is being redefined in this era of rapid change and enhanced connectivity. And I want to emphasize how important it is that all the new Samsung products we'll be showing you today are safe and protected by Samsung Knox. Throughout the years, we have continuously pursued innovative solutions offering a range of viewing experiences that enhance quality of life and achieve our mission. Screens everywhere, screens for all. We are also taking sustainable steps, such as using more recycled materials, reducing our energy consumption, and using more renewables, like solar power. At every stage of our product's life, from production to use, disposal, we made thoughtful improvements to minimize our impact. We are even using less ink in our product packaging from start to finish. Our concern for the environment is also our concern for people. And we know that people have different needs. So Samsung is working on some very innovative features. These include a sign language feature that can be easily controlled with gestures for the hearing impaired, and technology that turns subtitles into spoken words in real time for the visually impaired. We'll never stop looking for ways just like this to make the future brighter for everyone. Now, let's look at how our screens have changed in this super connected era. It's no longer just about delivering quality content. Screens should be key enablers to enhance our lives on and off screen. This is why we continuously look out of the box to inspire new ways of life. That principle is embedded within Samsung's DNA. We want to give everyone what they are looking for, whether it is a close-knit family, bonding over a favorite show, a person relaxing in front of the screen after a busy working day, or someone who wants to make their life smarter and easier. Under this vision, Samsung screens will surpass traditional smart TVs and usher in a new era of AI screen. As the #1 TV manufacturer in the world for the past 18 years, we are committed to enhancing your lifestyle. And today, we are unveiling these groundbreaking AI screens that will change everything you know about smart TVs. Samsung's AI screen is powered by on-device AI technology. On-device means fast data processing, a high level of privacy protection, and even reduced power consumption. And we will be the centerpiece of your AI home, connecting all your devices to offer more flexible and diverse lifestyle with no boundaries on or off screen. And with that, I'm proud to introduce the new AI screen, Neo QLED AK QN900D. Does it look great? Yes. It can be the powerful next-gen AI processor. It's the pinnacle of Samsung's technological expertise. And its sleek infinite air design makes the TV appear as if floating on air. It will fully immerse you no matter what you are watching. And that's just the beginning of what makes the QN900D so special. First, the QN900D is the heart of your home. It connects to different devices to make your living space more comfortable. It's the hub of your AI home, linking all your home appliances seamlessly and monitoring them in real time to help you optimize power usage. In the near future, your home will be more secure. Just by adding a camera on the TV, you can see what's happening at home when you are away. Even without a camera, your screens are gathering information from various sensors around your home and appliances and can send you emergency notifications. This means you can get smarter help from your screens, so you'll never miss a chore or get distracted by unnecessary alarms. Second, the QN900D is a personalized AI screen that offers experiences tailored to your preferences. For gamers, all you have to do is choose your favorite title, and our AI engine instantly recognizes the game and optimizes picture and sound quality with AI Auto Game Mode. Trying to decide what to watch? Just go to our new Samsung Tizen Home for personalized content and service recommendations. With the Samsung Tizen OS, Samsung screens offer the latest apps and exclusive services that will truly upscale your entertainment. These interconnecting experiences allow seamless connection with your TV across all your personal devices, from your mobile phone to your earbud and smartwatch. This is going to unlock endless possibilities for you to create a new and freer style. Finally, the QN900D comes with a powerful AI processor called NQ8 AI Gen 3. It takes everyday moments to the next level, making everything more impressive. It uses advanced deep learning technology with amazing 512 neural networks. That's 8 times more than before. The NPU of this new AI processor is twice as fast as the previous version, making the screen's picture and sound quality better than ever. This enables advanced features like AI upscaling and AI motion enhancer, so even low-quality content can be upscaled up to 8K quality. We are also introducing Active Voice Amplifier Pro. It uses AI to analyze sound and background noise to optimize your TV listening experience. This means you can enjoy everything from live sports to K-pop concerts and even OTT content, originally created in lower resolution like Full HD, as if you are in the front row of a stadium or movie theater. You are now entering a whole new era of amazing 8K reality. Moving forward, Samsung screens will incorporate generative AI technology called Samsung Gauss, which we recently introduced at the Samsung Developers Conference. With Samsung Gauss in our TVs, we foresee a future where news anchors or movie dialogues are instantly translated, seamlessly crossing the boundaries of the screen. And of course, Samsung screen will continue to upscale your everyday experience with frequent updates to our Tizen OS, provided online directly to your TV. That brings our AI screen journey to a close, but your experience is just beginning. Now I invite you to visit our exhibition space up front to witness and take in all the stunning visuals. Feel the immersive sound and embrace the magic for yourself. Starting with the full lineup of our ultra-large micro-LED screens, we'll also get up close and personal with our Neo QLED 8K and its amazing capabilities powered by our new AI processor. And as always, don't miss our new lifestyle screens that add a beautiful aesthetic to your space and embrace your daily routine in all new ways. Let's all move on now and see how Samsung screens can transform your space into a place of wonder and excitement. Thank you.